Boy, am I excited to bring you these fabrics. We're going to show you just a beautiful selection, and I really picked these for the holidays. This is a gold velvet, really pretty, just pretty, stretch in both directions. Just, we're seeing a lot of stretch velvets for the holidays, this being a gold especially. And you know what I've noticed is holiday is being worn right now. Everything has a little bit of a glitz and glamour to it. It's really pretty. This is a cotton poly. It's mostly cotton. I mean, I had to really feel for the poly. It's almost 100% cotton stretch velvet. It's a really beautiful fabric. This is a fun piece. All of these, you can do the POM for last month, September Giorgio's top. Just simple, easy, fun, clean. This is a deep purple. It's got a little bit of glitz to it, and it's just pretty. Then we've got these lames. This is a gold lame. Stretch in both directions, so easily can be do leggings if you want to go real wild one night. And the silver lame, same thing. Stretch in both directions. They're just really beautiful, very fluid, great drape. But remember, a little bit goes a long way, so just keep that in mind. Leggings, a little tank, a great jacket. Hugo's cardigan would be wonderful in these fabrics. And here we have just a little bit of sparkle. It's a black, it's got a little bit of silver in there. It's rose. It is a cotton poly. It has stretch in both directions. Very pretty. It's a velvet. It's kind of a cut velvet. You can see it's just really pretty. So they're all $12.99. They're all stretch, except for this last one. And this is a woven little bit of sparkle, and you can see the beading all through it, and then the beading on the stars. Now this is $12.99, and this is absurd. We're giving this away. It's really beautiful. It is a cotton poly base. The fabric is sheer. You just want to put a really pretty tank underneath. Be a beautiful blouse. So many of the new blouse, Balenciaga's blouse would be pretty. Just a lot of fun. So get ready for the holidays. We're getting ready for a holiday webcast. Happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.